Pat Brown is the president of the Holt Dimondale Insurance Agency in Holt. Always a pleasure to have him on Morning Blend. Welcome.
Good morning,
back.
Deb. Glad to see you on the new table here today.
Yeah. Do I need specific insurance coverage on my new daycare center in my home basement? I'm asking for a friend because I don't want to take care of children in my basement.
That is a great question. Actually, I'll relate this back to the COVID. A lot of people decided to retire from some of their jobs.
Yeah.
And they said, what can we do? Because I have my own children. Oh. How about if I take care of children at my own house? I got room in the basement.
Yeah.
And I want to, be able to make some money. You've created a different risk in your home now because you have children, you have people in and out, you have slip and falls, you have kids outside. So yes, you should at least make contact with your agent. At Holt Dimondale Agency, we at least reach out once a year, if not more, to find out any new things you might have created.
Yeah.
So it's a matter of, should you? Yes.
Yeah. You're crazy not to.
You're crazy not to. It is because the risk part of it is the greatest deal. Mm-hmm. So you have to think about that all the time.
Yeah. Well, does my private passenger auto insurance policy provide me protection if I'm transporting passengers for a nominal fee?
There's another question. You retire, I get bored.
Yes.
I want to do something.
Yeah.
How about if I just take my friends and neighbors? I don't charge a fee, but I want to take them to doctor's appointments because they can't drive. You're going to be fine under those circumstances under for your own policy. Well, now you're going, it's costing me gas.
Yeah.
So now they want to pay you some money. So now you're doing what they call for hire.
Okay.
Most private passenger automobile policies will not cover losses under those circumstances because now you become a commercial conveyance, basically they call it.
Okay.
So you're going to need commercial insurance. Just like the Ubers and those things, they had to have special insurance to protect them. They're still using their own vehicle.
Yeah.
But they have to have a more comprehensive policy under those circumstances. They're on the road more chance for crashes. Plus they have people that may not have insurance riding with them, which they would come under your policy. So again, it's one of those, should I call? Yeah. Again, that's one of those, when an agent calls you and they ask you if anything new, don't be afraid to tell them.
Yeah.
That's the greatest thing. Yeah, you do. You should always.
And it's only going to be a couple bucks a month.
It's going to be a little more costly, but you know what? The protection is. It's always better to have it now versus something happens after the fact and you say, by the way, this person in the back of the car they paid me to do this, and yes, we got a problem.
Find out more online. Thank you, Pat.